20 April 2018. Hi guys, we have reached Chopta. So it's already 6 in the evening. It took us 8 hours to reach. We are staying in one tent. Particular, I don't know. I forgot the name. What it is. But so far, so good. Everything. Woo! This is our tent. We're staying here. And this tent is more comfortable than my real house. Meet Mr. Chuba. He's on Jeep. So Jeep, how is it? The tent, is it good or not? So far so good. That's all. Okay. So we're gonna meet our next superstar, Mr. Lomo. So like, what do you want to say about the tent? How is it?
It's more than awesome.
Yes.
And I wish we get more time.
All right. So like from 10 star, how much star you want to give to this tent?
9.9.
9.9. Yeah. So guys, yeah man.
Very good.
Hey, good morning everyone. Just woke up. It's 5 in the morning. It's 20 April 2018. We are moving out for Chopta. We are moving out to Dehradun, which is around above 200 kilometers. We are expecting to hit these roads by max 10 hours.
Oh, it's freaking cold, man.
And it's really freaking cold out here. Can't even touch the water. And so far, everything is good. This looks good. And look at the scenery, man. Look at our tent, man. See you guys. Oh, we have reached somewhere. It's big, very big. So we have stopped here for a tea break. First break for the morning. We have traveled around like half an hour. But our chief Chuba is feeling hungry. He wants to have tea. Hey, कच्चा कौन खाएगा? अंडा कौन कच्चा है यार? कच्चा वो? You eat कच्चा? अरे यार भाई, ये अपना चिप. अरे यार, चाचा के पास एक बिल्ली है. चाचा, बिल्ली का नाम क्या है? पिंकी. So guys, meet Pinky. Pinky, इधर देख. इधर देख. Oh no. Hey, buy one biscuit, bro. Hey, Parle-G is the most selling biscuit in the world. Yeah. 1 second में something like, if you take bread also, it's like sell 100 packets something like that. World most selling biscuit, Parle-G. Nice. Yeah. हो गया. लो यार लो. यहाँ पे भैया 1 लीटर 300 रुपया. We are leading Sir Chuba, Chief Chuba, to lead because his petrol he have only 1 liter now. So I don't know how far petrol pump is from here, but I hope it's near. So I'm ready. We have to go to guys, we have stopped somewhere for breakfast. 7:30 in the morning. We have our breakfast here. Some parathe. We'll just eat here, no? Take hello and like we'll eat here and we'll move out. अरे यार अपना आप तो देख रहे हैं. Rishikesh 172. So like we are going to Dehradun. Dehradun Rishikesh. We have almost covered 150 kilometers, I guess, and more 100 kilometers to go. And look at the place, man. Look at the place. We have reached Rishikesh, but my tire is gone, totally gone. अरे भाई फट गया यार, फट गया. Meanwhile, something is going on here. Hey Chua, what biryani is this? So it's like that, we don't get chicken biryani or whatever non-veg biryani. Rishikesh we only get veg biryani. I'm gonna show you. So your bowls or the soybeans. They're still making a tire. My tire is, I don't know, they're having some problem fixing it. As you can see, there's one that's buying, making a tire. And I'm gonna show you something. So the main culprit is this. This was inside the tire. Alright, bhai. We just did a head massage. Actually, it was a little drizzling on way to Dehradun, from Rishikesh to Dehradun. So we thought it was really tiresome and we have some time till evening. So we did head massage. Finally we have reached Dehradun. It was a 12 hours long journey. So right now we are going to Northeastern in Dehradun for our meal. You can call it lunch or dinner, whatever.